How does Enviro Plus works? Methane is a clean gas because its molecular structure allows oxygen to saturate the carbon atom. This is the reason why there are almost no byproducts from burning methane. Other hydrocarbons like gasoline or diesel tend to bundle. This bundling does not allow oxygen to get close enough to the carbon atoms. This inefficient use of the oxygen creates most of the inefficiencies from burning fossil fuels. When Enviro Plus is added, the space between fuel molecules is increased, allowing oxygen to be used more efficiently by the combustion process. This increase in the effective utilization of the oxygen allows the energy contained in the air-fuel mixture to be released faster. Releasing the energy faster increases the torque and the horsepower and also reduces emissions because less oxygen is left to react with the other components in the mixture like nitrogen and sulfur. Only the energy released in the first 20 milliseconds of the combustion is used to push the piston down. The energy released after that time is a heat loss. As seen in the graphics, Enviro Plus increases the amount of energy released during that critical time by 36%. Pushing the piston down with a higher rate of speed will increase the torque in the crankshaft, which in turn increase the horsepower. The fuel economy achieved by using Enviro Plus is the result of needing less fuel to move a cargo at a constant speed from point A to point B. Detroit Diesel performed extended testing over the Enviro Plus effect in a diesel engine. They concluded that, on average, the torque increased by 14% while the horsepower increased by 11%. Worth noting is that the greater improvements were noticed in the low band RPM where torque and horsepower are needed the most. Enviro Plus creates a more linear combustion. This has the effect of reducing the size of the particulate matter in the emissions, the opacity, and the combustion temperature. As confirmed by actual users, maintenance costs reductions can be equal or even greater than fuel economy savings. In this picture we see that after 90 days of use, no deposits are noticeable. For this container ship vessel, not having to clean the heat exchangers represent $80,000 a year in savings. More than 10 times their investment in Enviro Plus. Enviro Plus creates a visible effect in the quality of the combustion. This picture shows this improvement in gasoline when burned at atmospheric pressure. As pressure is one of the main drivers of combustion efficiency, the improvements from using Enviro Plus are only augmented on internal combustion engines where combustion occurs at pressures between 12 and 40 atmospheres. Daily, thousands of vehicles and vessels run with Enviro Plus around the world. But the evidence of its benefits is not only empirical. More than $30 million has been invested into developing this technology. This is a partial list of prestigious entities who have put in writing the results of lengthy and costly analysis of the Enviro Plus effect in fuel economy and emissions reduction. Enviro Plus is not only a technology but a solution. As such, we guarantee that your company will not need to change its fueling habits. To benefit from Enviro Plus, your company will have no major operational impact. We can have your current supplier to treat your fuels, or we can install equipment that do it automatically. These systems are of robust construction, require minimum or no maintenance and are installed, in most cases, in 4 hours or less. We will even provide automatic monitoring equipment, free of charge. This will guarantee two things: that your Enviro Plus tanks are always full and peace of mind. Once you start realizing the savings, running out of Enviro Plus is something you won't want. Our fully automatic solutions guarantees zero complications in using Enviro Plus. Just give us a purchase order for the consumption of 1 year and we will bill you upon delivery, 3 months at a time. We will also give you internet access to the monitoring system so you can manage the inventory. Safety and health are top priorities for Enviro. Following this principle, we designed a double-wall, closed-loop management system that makes spills almost impossible and guarantees that humans are not in contact with chemicals. This management system assures hands-free injection. Furthermore, the system ensures no exposure to chemicals. Although Enviro Plus is made from organic compounds, it is a flammable substance. Below is a table indicating the potential savings based on a cost of fuel of $3.30 per gallon. Most of our customers have reported improvements above 10%. The savings depicted here are from fuel economy only. The benefits of reduced maintenance costs are not included. Neither are the benefits of reducing harmful gases emissions. Enviro Petroleum is determined to help reduce and reverse the greenhouse gas effect. EcoP, a web platform, keeps track of how many pounds of CO2 we are reducing. It also helps us keep record of it. We expect this technology to be an eligible carbon credit generating technology soon. Join the Environmental Performance Initiative today. Using Enviro Plus in your fuels will significantly reduce your operating costs in a measurable and safe way. By doing so, you will reduce your emissions by 1 pound per treated gallon while making a significant contribution towards reversing the greenhouse effect.